life was dull until
Hey friends, welcome back, or welcome if you are new to my channel. So I know it has been several weeks since I've last posted a video, but I am so happy to be back. So in today's video, I am going to be deep cleaning my living room for spring since it really needed it, and it is jam-packed with tons of cleaning motivation. So if you are needing a little motivation today to get you moving, make sure to keep on watching, subscribe if you are new, and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy. Also, I am super excited for today's video because it is in collaboration with a dear friend of mine here on YouTube, Kristen from the channel Justin and Kristen. She and her husband share a lot of fun vlogs and videos, and she also likes to share a lot of cleaning motivation on her channel, which is how I found her. She does a lot of 5-minute tidy up challenges, which I love and are always so motivating. So definitely go check out her channel. She has such a genuine personality and is so down to earth, so I know you guys will love her. So make sure you guys head on over and tell her I sent you guys. Once you are done watching my video, she will be sharing a huge closet clean out and declutter over on her channel. So definitely tons of motivation for you guys if you need to start decluttering.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So watch your feelings, the city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they all disappear, they will let you down. So we better stick together, let's come whatever, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world, 'cause we got love.
Alright guys, so I wanted to start off with taking all of my sofa cushions and pillow covers off so I could throw them in the washer immediately. It had honestly been a while since I had washed them, so I definitely wanted to go ahead and start that load so that I can focus on cleaning the rest of the living room while that washes. And you guys, they were pretty bad. If you guys are new here, I do have twin 3-year-old toddlers, so they're always, you know, eating their snacks over here, and I do try to keep it, keep it tidy as best as I can, but these microfiber sofas are so hard to clean, and yeah, like as you can see right here, it's really bad and gross. So yeah, I just wanted to make sure these were washed and get all of these nice and clean.
We better stick together, let's come whatever, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world, 'cause we got love. I need only you here with me. I wanna get to your goals, gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now.
So the next thing I wanted to tackle for my spring cleaning was to dust my walls and my ceilings. I don't have a Swiffer duster, so I saw this hack on Pinterest and I just wanted to try it out. I grabbed, all you need is your broom, an old towel, and a rubber band to wrap your towel around it. And this is how I dusted my walls, you guys. I thought it worked perfectly. Alright guys, so this ceiling fan was in desperate need of a cleaning, as you guys can tell from this close-up I'm giving you guys, and it had dust piled on it. So to avoid the dust from falling on the floors and the sofa, I am using a pillowcase to catch all of the dust, and then I will be polishing it with my Method Wood for Good cleaner.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring the sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright.
So now I'm going to be cleaning my windows and storm door with some Windex cleaner that I still had. And this is something that I constantly have to keep up with since my boys do love putting their little fingers all over them. But I am going to be also cleaning the windowsill since I don't always clean this, and it definitely needed it. There was actually some crayon on the side here that I will be showing you guys in a minute. I actually had to use a magic eraser to get all of that, whatever that was, off, and it actually did the trick. So I'm definitely glad I finally got to cleaning these.
Sip me up like lemonade, we both know it's bittersweet. This sorrowness will bite your tongue, no one is forever young. No, listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. I know the sun is getting warmer, but when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. But when we're floating up like helium,
guys, so let me know where you guys are all from. If you are still watching, I would love to know. And I definitely know it's a crazy time we are in right now with this whole coronavirus going on. But I think it's amazing that we all can still connect with so many people online and through this platform on YouTube, as well as other platforms on social media, which I think it makes this whole social distancing not as lonely and isolating. So definitely let me know where you are from and how you are coping with what's going on. I am in North Carolina, and we have just been enjoying the outdoors more, and the weather has been much nicer here, and just being more present with me with my husband and with our boys, and just taking it all in, and just being so grateful for what we have, for our health. And I'm so grateful that my husband is now working from home now. And, it's just, it changes your perspective when so many things change. Like, you can't see your family and, friends. So definitely let me know how you are coping and what's been helping you. I would love to know. So I just wanted to vacuum under the sofa, since I don't really vacuum under here anymore ever since we got the new rug that we have. I don't move the sofa as much, but I just wanted to make sure it was clean over here. And then I will be vacuuming the baseboards. I didn't wipe them down since I had recently, not too long ago, wiped them down. So I just do that maybe twice, two to three times a year. And then I'm just going to be mopping, and I did let it air dry before I moved the sofa back. Alright guys, so I am pretty much all done with deep cleaning my living room. I hope this gave you all the motivation you needed to get things done around your home today. And if you made it this far, thank you all so much for watching until the end. It truly means so much and I appreciate all of your support. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave me a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your bell notification to not miss out on more videos. And also, please make sure you guys go check out Kristen's video and subscribe to her channel as well. I will have her links in my description box for you guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.